All right, here's a quick review going over the power rule for integrals. So basically here we're talking about if we have an integral of x to the n dx, and n can be any number except -1. Okay. So for this, what we do is we're just doing the opposite of the power rule for derivatives. All right, instead of bringing down the n and subtracting 1, we're going to add 1 to the n and divide by that new constant n plus 1. So it'll look like this: x raised to the n plus 1 power divided by n plus 1. And then whenever we have an indefinite integral, we always add that plus c piece with it. Okay. Let's take a look at an example here. All right, so if I have x to the 5th dx, well, I'll just rewrite our rule kind of over here, equals x to the n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, so 5 plus 1 will give us x to the 6th, this piece, divided by that new constant over 6. And then we always add that plus c, or we could also rewrite this as 1/6 x to the 6th plus c. Okay, let's kind of step this up with a little bit more difficult example. So we have x to the 3/5 dx. All right, so we treat this the same exact way. We're gonna add 1 here, so that ends up being 8/5, x to the 8/5, okay, and then we also divide by that 8/5 plus c, but this is the same thing as multiplying times 5/8, x to the 8/5 plus c will be my answer here. All right, so that's a quick little overview of the power rule for integrals.